All right, hey you, and welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we're doing something different. So in celebration of reaching 5K here on my YouTube channel, and I want to personally thank you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. The giveaway will be for 1 month, and I'm just going to get right to it. All right, the giveaway will be for one full 1 ounce of the Advanced Night Repair. As you guys know, I love the Advanced Night Repair Serum. And then also, I will be giving away a brand new Beauty Over 40 hoodie for one of you guys. So it will be 2 winners. And all right, since this is my first official giveaway, it's going to be open to US and Canada. Giveaway rules are you have to be following me on Instagram, that's LRHMAKEUP, and then also subscribe to my newsletter on my website, that's LRHMakeup.com. I will have that information down below. So those are the 2 qualifications to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my newsletter on my website. So good luck to everyone, and the giveaway will be open for 1 month. If you guys have any questions or anything, just drop those comments down below. All right guys, so until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence.